Hey guys, welcome to Karan's Cuisine, and today I'll be making Sooji Gunta Ponganaalu. If you don't know what Gunta Ponganaalu are, they're little balls of dough made from dosa batter. Since dosa batter takes about 12 hours of prep time and it has a lot of waiting, I am making Gunta Ponganaalu with Sooji or rava. This can be made almost instantly and doesn't require much prep time. For these Gunta Ponganaalu, you're going to need 1.5 cups of Sooji or rava, 1 cup of thick sour curd without the water. If your curd is not sour, then add a little bit of lime juice. And 3/4 cups of water for the batter. For the vegetables in it, you're going to need 1 onion cut finely chopped, 1 grated carrot, about 3 stems of chopped curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of salt, finely chopped ginger, and 3 to 4 green chilies. And if you don't like spice, you can leave out the green chilies, and 2 teaspoons of cumin for flavor. First, mix your curd into the Sooji, and then once it's all mixed, then gradually put the water into the batter. All the yogurt and water in, and this is the consistency that it should be, thick batter consistency. And now you can mix the vegetables and seasonings in. All of the vegetables into the batter, and this is the consistency that it is. And I had to add about 1/4 cup of extra water because the onions made it thick. Now this batter should be rested aside for 20 minutes. I'm back after 30 minutes after the batter has rested, and now the Sooji has soaked in all the moisture of the batter. And this is how the consistency is, and this is how it should be. But if you want it to be less chunky, then you can add a little bit more water. I'm here at the stove, and I've heated my Gunta Ponganaalu pan at medium heat, and this is what I'm going to use to make the Gunta Ponganaalu. For the procedure, put a little bit of oil, ghee, or butter, whatever you have, on the circles, and then put the Gunta Ponganaalu on. Now we can cover the lid and then cook it for 1 to 1.5 minutes. But you know when it's ready if the edges have hardened, but the batter in the middle is still gooey and tough. Now I believe the Gunta Ponganaalu is ready, and you can see that it's like hard on the edges, but still gooey in the center. Let me break that connection. Now we can cover the lid and cook it for about another minute. Now I can flip it again and then wait another like 45 seconds to a minute so that the whole thing thickens. Now cook it for 45 seconds to a minute with the lid open, not closed. Put them on a plate so that they can be served. After I cook up my next batch, I'm gonna serve them to myself. Okay. Now I'm here to taste it, and a tip that applies to the whole recipe: you can mix and match with your own vegetables. You can take out what you want or add what you want. But now I get to taste it, and I can't wait to gobble up these little Gunta Ponganaalu. And make sure to eat less than your normal serving of Gunta Ponganaalu, because these are a little bit filling since they're made with Sooji. And make sure to like and subscribe, and check out my other Indian videos if you like this one.